this is Hans, the Ramen Reader, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got another one from Ramen Hero. You go to ramenhero.com, you say, I'd like some noodles tomorrow, please. And you enter in your rectangular commerce card information, pick what you want to eat on the morrow, and it will be delivered to you as long as you're currently in a certain geographical area. If you're not, you're out of luck, but I'm guessing pretty soon you won't be out of luck. So, anyways, today I screwed up. There, I've admitted it. There's my admission. I screwed up because the last one I did was shoyu, and it came with seaweed. It came with super freaking fancy seaweed, but I was distracted by my sweet little daughter Miriam, so I forgot to put it in. But we got one today. We've got classic tonkotsu, and I'm going to use it in this one, even though this one comes with it too. Comes with noodle, a big bag of broth, tonkotsu broth, going in the pot. And here's this seaweed, which is just as good. It just isn't all printed fancy. You know what this is? This is wood eater mushroom, also known as kikurage or kikuragi or kikurage. I don't know. This is kizami shoga. This is pickled ginger. One of my absolute all-time favorite additions to ramen. And of course, our friend pork belly chashu. So yeah, just like the last 3 times, that water has to boil. That big bag of soup has to sit in it for about 10 minutes. So when that's all done, I'll get back to you, and then we'll put it all together, and we'll rip open some Monopoly tickets while the noodles are cooking. Yeah? Sound good? Alright, I'll be right back. Man, I just got my phone wet. What the hell? Not cool with that. So we got water boiling. We got noodles to cook, so I'll have to whine and cry about that shortly. I think it's okay, honestly. But I figured since you're a captive audience, I'd piss and moan about it a little bit. Alright, so we got 2 minutes, right? Yeah, there we go. Let's give this a little stir time, because it's stirry time. Gotta keep an eye on it so it doesn't boil over. But I got some Monopoly tickets, so this could be fun, but most likely it'll be stupid. So let's see. First Monopoly ticket we got. Oh boy, let it be a can of something or something useful. It is nothing. Nothing I want. It's just like, enter these numbers in and you can maybe win something. Another one of those. You're not boiling over, not on my watch, you freaking noodles. Yeah, you. Ow! Man, never taunt your noodles or give them crap, I swear. They just splash, they drop back into the water and splash boiling water all over the can. Jerk noodles. Keeping an eye on you. I'm watching you. Oh, come on. There's no happy medium with this pot, I swear. It's gonna be weird because soon they're gonna be doing all these improvements at our apartments. New fridge, new stove, all that kind of stuff. Oh. 50 cents off one 10-ounce bag of pirate booty. I like pirate booty. I eat that a lot. It's quite flavorful. But I've never seen a 10-ounce bag of pirate booty at our grocery store. So I don't know what kind of game they're trying to pull. It's not fun. Alright. Ow. Man, it just dripped really hot water on my knee. Well, I guess it really, you can't taunt noodles. And you definitely should never taunt a Rotato. Hey Rotato, how are you today? I hope you're feeling frisky because I'm gonna drop some boiling noodles inside you. Hey, that was pretty good. Let's try this. That's even better-ish. Alright. Noodles. Get mad or nothing. God! It's like sometimes it feels like you need to grab the noodles and just like throw them up against the wall and go, listen, noodles! Alright. Individual results may vary. Okay. Now we've got our tonkotsu broth right here. Broth and noodles. And let's give them a try. So out of the 4 that I've tried now, I'm going to say my favorite was the spicy shoyu tonkotsu. That one was just off the hook. And, okay, I'm going to do the egg first. Drop you over here. It's tricky because it's kind of like things want to go this way and that way, and it's not always the way I want them to go. Oh, nice. Shell. Man, I'm just nailing it. Nailed it. Raje, Kiku, wood ear mushroom, Kiku. I'm sure there's a lot of like ramen snobs out there going like, dude, you're saying it wrong. That's okay, because guess what? Go to ramensnob.com. I dare you. I triple dare you. I quad bazillion dare you. That'll shut you up. Ramensnob.com. Note, not really for ramen snobs, but for people who like ramen. Because snobbery is just not cool. And then one of my favorite things ever, pickled ginger. I love this stuff. I used to put this on Indomie. I'm not kidding. Look at my early reviews. I used to put this on every freaking thing, along with like totally overcooked fried eggs. Oh yeah. Back in the old days. Yeah. There's that. And then we got a big grip of spring onion. And then our sweet, sweet, beautiful Shashu. How do I want to do you up? I want you to look as nice as possible. I think that looks good. A little bit of this right here. And you know, I'm gonna skip on the mung bean sprouts, but I'm not gonna skip on the shichimi. And I'm definitely not gonna make the mistake from the last one, because this is just like the coolest thing ever. Please, people, email me back. I want to know. I need to know where I can get this done, because I will use whatever means I can find to make Ramen Raider style of this. This is like so freaking rad. Yeah. All right, let's hit it. That's some lovely looking stuff right there. And it's really tasty too. I am impressed. In the mail. U.S. Postal Service delivered this. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm done for the day. I wish you all enjoyment of your noodles every day. Shout out to ramenhero.com. Go check them out. Thank you very much for shooting this over. I'm hoping they're going to send some more for me to do. I'll be so stoked if they do. This is so much fun to work with. So, all right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.